Fast Fix was established in 1984 in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, with a single kiosk location. We've grown to about 154 locations domestically here in the United States and 5 locations internationally in Ireland.
I believe what makes Fast Fix unique in the industry is the fact that we are one of the only and the largest chain of jewelry and watch repair facilities.
We are currently in the Smile Belt, which starts up very high in Anchorage, Alaska, works its way down through the basin of California, across through Texas, Florida, and then all the way back up into New York State.
So no matter where you are, whether you're in California or in Texas, if you're traveling between those states, we have locations, and if your watch needs to be repaired and has been repaired at a previous location, your watch battery needs to be replaced and you've purchased a warranty, we're there to service that and take care of that and honor that warranty no matter where you are. Fast Fix Jewelry and Watch Repairs obviously repairs jewelry, repairs watches, but in addition to that, we provide many other services. We do custom jewelry design. We perform engraving. We repair eyeglass frames. We also do bead restringing. So we have a lot of services in our stores.
Fast Fix has a high level of integrity in how it does work with its customers. Every one of our locations has a jeweler and a watch repair person.
When a customer comes into a Fast Fix location, they are greeted by a friendly counter person who is going to engage with them and discuss what needs to be done with their prized personal possession.
We want to make the customer feel secure that their item is in the hands of an experienced jeweler or watchmaker. Secondly, is the individual is also looking for timeliness of their repair, hence the name Fast Fix. We feel that how we handle ourselves with our customers is of the utmost importance, how we treat them, how we give them high-level service, and also making sure that their prized possession gets back into their hands exactly how they wanted it.
At Fast Fix, we have a philosophy we call FIT. FIT, fun, integrity, teamwork, and trust. We want to come to work and have fun. We want to provide a fun environment, both in our franchise support center and in our stores. People come into a store and it feels like the people are having fun there. They're more likely to come back. You want to be there. You want to leave your items there. Integrity. It's the way we do business. It's the way we do business internally. It's the way we do business with external clients, and it's the way we do business with our franchisees, and we have our franchisees have that relationship with their customers. And then the 2 T's, and it's teamwork and trust. No one is an island unto themselves. We work as a team with our franchisees, with our fellow people in the Franchise Support Center, and our entire mission is focused on the success of the franchisees and their interaction with their customers. And trust, if we can't trust the franchisees to do what we expect them to do and to represent us, and they can't trust us to provide them with the support that they need to be successful, then the system falls apart. And we pride ourselves in having all of those elements come together. And with the longevity of our franchisees have been with us on average over 20 years. You don't stay with a franchise that long. There isn't a solid relationship. So anyone looking to join a franchise, get into a business, we provide our franchisees with incredible services out of the Franchise Support Center. They have the availability of a franchise business coach who will visit them on a regular basis and help work with them to develop their business, to make them more successful. And it goes all the way from the store opening, where we work with them in lockstep, through the planning process, the construction process, the training process, and the store opening process, and then through the continuation of their day-to-day activities in the store. Our mission is for them to be successful. If they're successful, we're successful. And it's a very symbiotic relationship that we take great pride in.
For more information about Fast Fix Jewelry and Watch Repair, our locations, and franchise opportunities, visit your nearest Fast Fix Jewelry and Watch Repairs, or visit us at fastfix.com.